students, how are you all? Welcome to your English class. Today we are going to discuss about interrogative sentences, how to convert the interrogative sentences from direct speech to indirect speech. Whenever we write interrogative sentences in indirect speech, then we use the reporting verbs like asked, inquired, demanded, questioned, etc. In indirect speech, the verb plus object order of words is question. In the questions is reversed. For example, Mary asked Vinu, how much did you pay for the trip? Indirect will be Mary asked Vinu how much he had paid for the trip. So here verb and the object, the order of the words in question is reversed. The traveler said to the passerby, do you know the way to Dera? The traveler asked a passerby if he knew the way to Dehra. So these are the different ways of converting interrogative sentences from direct to indirect speech. Next we will discuss about the reporting question tags. We use question tags to confirm an opinion or piece of information. While rewriting a question tag in indirect speech, we expand the tag to a full question. The question mark is dropped. Examples, Revati said to me, the principal has confirmed the date of parent-teacher meeting, hasn't she? Revati asked me if the principal had confirmed the date of parent-teacher meeting. So here the question mark is dropped and we expand the tag to a full question. So this is the way to convert reporting question tags from direct to indirect speech. Next is about the imperative sentences. While rewriting the imperative sentences in indirect speech, the verb is changed into infinitive form. For example, there are different imperative sentences. They can be commands, orders, they can be requests, they can be advice or suggestions, and they can even start with let. So the reporting verbs used for commands, orders can be told, asked, order, warned, instructed, commanded, etc. For request, we can use reporting verbs like requested, begged, pleaded, invited, apologized. For advice or suggestions, we can use advised, suggested, warned, reminded, forbade, etc. For imperatives with let, we can use urged, suggested, proposed, all these reporting verbs. For example, there is a sentence, please switch off the lights, said Deepak to his colleague. This is a request. We will say, Deepak requested his colleague to switch off the lights. She said, let's do it together. She suggested that they do it together. Kirti said to her son, check your answer script before you submit it. This is an advice. Kirti advised her son to check the answer script before he submitted it. So these are the various ways to convert imperative sentences from direct to indirect speech. Next is about the exclamatory sentences. Exclamatory sentences in indirect speech are written as statements using reporting verbs like exclaimed, cried, apologized, wished, thanked, etc. The interjections like alas, hurrah, and oh, they are written using phrases like exclaimed sadly, exclaimed with happiness, exclaimed joyfully, exclaimed merrily, etc. Anish said, hurrah, I have got a GPA of 10. His mother said, congratulations. We will write it as Anish exclaimed with joy that he had got a GPA of 10. His mother congratulated him. Rima said, what a nuisance these mosquitoes are. We have to buy a mosquito repellent. Rima exclaimed angrily that the mosquitoes were a great nuisance. She added that they would have to buy a mosquito repellent. So this is all about the narration. Practice all the exercises thoroughly, and for more queries or doubts we will be discussing in the AIS class. have any doubt, any query, you can drop on Google Class. Thank you, Shan Stars. Take care, all of you.